Hey guys, welcome back to Jesse, DY, Caroline. And this is my vlog. So today's is Christmas. Mommy, say hi.
Hi guys. Hi guys.
Okay, so next we have some presents. So we have LOL. Yes, I know that this is LOL. And Caroline, can you show the other? American Girl doll. I know that this is American Girl doll. And the other presents. Shall we open them up? Okay, let's open it up. Let's open it up. We only have the Fuzzy Pets one. Let's see. Wow, this is Pygmy Pops. What's that one? This one is a new LOL one. This is a boys. This is a Caroline, she got boys. Yes, yes, we got boys. Okay, which one do you want to open first? The LOL one. Okay, this one, let's open the boys, okay? Should Caroline open it up? Yeah, okay.
This one is
the boys.
Pygmy Paw is mommy, is Santa for Caroline, and this is for you. You are.
Oh, Caroline, you can hold this.
You are. You are.
Oh,
you are together,
we both.
And
this one is for Caroline.
Just you only surprise.
You're lucky, Caroline, right?
Yeah,
I love it. Let's open this up. You love Pygmy Pops? Are you sure? You're cute.
No, not open.
You know
you
what?
Open whole gift and picture and anywhere.
Oh, okay,
and
okay.
Open it. Okay.
So,
okay. Okay. Another one. What's this? You guess.
I think this is clothes for American Girl. I know. So open it up. Yeah, open it. Wow, is this? Oh, we got this. Guys. Wait, what is this? What's this? Disco. Jessica.
Yeah, you want.
Wow, this is a machine. Karen, don't take them out.
This is candy machine.
Wow, we have Look, guys. There's real like candy. And we also have Winter Disco. This is the happiest Christmas ever. Thank you. Okay, let's open this one up. I know that this is American Girl doll. Let's open it.
Wait.
I'm gonna open it. I love it opens.
Wait.
Caroline, wait.
That does it.
I can see something. Yes, it's American Girl. We already have one, which is Katie, and now we're having another one. One for Caroline, one for me.
Wait.
Holly Jolly.
Okay.
Open it up. Oh, it rides a horse and it includes a book too. Caroline, which one do you want? Do you want Katie or this one? This one. Oh yeah, and she could turn into a ballerina too. It's a pretty girl. Is she a ballerina? Not really. So do you want this one? Yeah. Let's open.
American now?
Yes. Let's open the next one up. Caroline wants this one, and I'm gonna have Katie. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Let's open the next one. You wanna open that one? Okay, look at this. Open it. Wait. It says pizza cap. Wait, there's nothing.
Okay. Open.
Wow, it's accessory for the American Girl doll. Oh, that's big. Okay, let's show you. Oh, yeah, let's read it. What is this? So big. So big. Giant big. Oh, it's getting red and this color. Wow, Caroline, your legs are blocking the camera. Wow, it's a car for Katie and this new American Girl doll. Do you guys know what her name is? God. Wow, a car. Thank you, guys. This is the best holiday ever. Now, shall we open all of them up? Yeah. Which one do you want to open? The LOLs? You want to open that one up? No, do you want to open this one?
Show hold together, play,
Take a photo?
Take picture, yeah.
Okay, guys, we'll see you when we open all of them up. Bye.